We all did it once. Not programming, but learning. When we were babies, we learned a language. No syntax manuals, no theory, just immersion. So why do we overcomplicate learning programming languages? Today, I'm going to show you how to learn any programming language fast by flipping everything you've been taught on its head. Most tutorials? They shove syntax, grammar, and theory down your throat. Var, let, const. Here's a variable, here's a loop. Memorize it. Sound familiar? That's school-style learning. But guess what? It sucks for actually getting good. Babies don't memorize grammar tables before they speak. They absorb patterns through living in the language. You need to do the same with code. Here's the weird truth. To learn fast, you need to get completely lost. Pick a project, a real one, something you want to build. It could be a to-do app, a portfolio, or a meme generator. Then dive in, even if you don't understand a single line. Why? Because your brain is a pattern machine. It's quietly connecting the dots behind the scenes. Just like a baby hearing mama for the 50th time, you start getting it. Don't just study a programming language. Live in it. Watch YouTube tutorials in that language. Listen to podcasts on software development. Read code, copy it, break it, fix it. Browse GitHub projects. Explore how real developers solve problems. You'll feel like you're in a jungle at first, but give it time. Let the chaos become clarity. You don't learn by reading about programming. You learn by actually programming. Here's the secret. Build stuff before you're ready. You're not supposed to feel ready. You'll never be ready. Write broken code. Forget semicolons. Miss brackets. Crash your app. Perfect. Because every bug is a sticky note your brain won't forget. Stop translating from your first language. When you want a list of things, don't think, I need an array in your native language. Think in arrays. Think in objects, functions, and components. Train your brain to see a UI and think, that's a React component. Or look at data and say, let's filter this array. It's not just about speaking the language. It's about thinking in it. Talk to yourself in code. Seriously. When you learn a new concept like map or reduce, don't just memorize it. Say out loud, okay, I can use map to turn this list of users into an array of usernames. The more you use what you learn out loud, in thought, in code, the faster it sticks. Yes, you'll suck at first. You'll feel like a toddler babbling in JavaScript. But guess what? Toddlers become fluent because they keep going. They mess up. They don't feel ashamed. And neither should you. So, if you want to learn any programming language fast, ditch the grammar obsession, immerse fully, build before you're ready, think in code, speak code daily. Do that, and fluency is inevitable. Like this? Drop your favorite language in the comments. Subscribe for weekly dev insights. Now go build something badly. You'll get better fast.